Hello there and welcome back. I am here at Bondi Beach and today I will be taking along the world famous Bondi-to-Coogee coastal walk. To get to Bondi Beach. The easiest is probably via public transit because parking here is not great and it's actually quite expensive. So you can take the T4 South Coast line from the CBD to Bondi Junction, and from there there's a quick changeover to hop on the bus. Usually I take the 333 from bus stop A, and here you are at the beautiful world-renowned Bondi Beach. So the Bondi-to-Coogee coastal walk, I believe, is around 6 kilometers from start to finish. There's several beaches along the way, several really beautiful coves. It usually takes around 2 to 3 hours to do it. It really just depends how often you stop along the way. So yeah, I have my drone with me today, so I will be taking some aerial footage. And yeah, here we go. Alright, I've just passed by Mackenzie's Point. It's a really amazing spot to see humpback whales migrating during certain times of the year. They are migrating right now, but unfortunately I did not see any, but I will keep my eyes peeled for the rest of today's walk. Right behind me you can glimpse a bit of Tamarama Beach and Bronte Beach in the distance, and that's where I'm headed next. I've just walked through the Waverley cemetery, which is located right on the coast, and about to walk up to Clovelly beach, which is a very, very small beach, but the waters are really calm. Probably not a bad place if you just want to swim, but you won't be catching any waves here, that's for sure. We are about to arrive at our last and final stop today, Gordon's Bay, which was actually one of my personal favorites along this walk today. Of note, there's actually a 600-meter underwater nature trail for scuba divers. I unfortunately don't have my scuba certification yet, but there is some really great snorkeling to be found here as well. All right, we have made it to Coogee Beach. Really hope you guys enjoyed the coastal walk today from Bondi. If you did like it, please make sure to give a thumbs up below. And also please subscribe because I will be posting more content from Sydney and across Australia. Have a good one.